So I don't know where it cut off, but now we're kind of really rich. Not really rich, but we're basically really rich. Kind of. What's really addicting? Sure, a lot of stuff. We're like, I'm not sure where it cut though. Just stole like all my money. Who beat me to my favorite? I don't know. Imagine there's like this guy and like you just walk up to him and like, this is Pablo. He's the head of Squeezy Corp, the evil juice company. You just call guys like his company the evil. Bro, whom I fire. Oh, so this guy's box like worked and he got fired and now he's like, this guy's the evil guy. You're so good. You're good. I don't like this Pinello guy. What do you mean he did unfair? Because apparently right now, I don't know most of the story because I've just kind of been skipping dialogue. But right now, it seems like Pinello. I think you're wrong. I think it's actually Pablo. I think he's like the good guy, and like maybe this guy was like caught like doing something bad, and he was like, "You're fired." And this guy's all mad because he's like, "Oh, I did good," when he actually did do it. So then he's trying to get revenge. And this guy's like he's just a good boss. I think he looks like a good boss. We'll see how. Okay, that's not very nice. But the other guy did say that's Pablo. But I can't really blame you. I don't like you, Pinello. I don't like you. I don't like you. Can I skip? What was that? What was that like? Beans. Okay. Ooh, there's a big apple. Can I go in the water? Oh, I can't. Please, no more tutorial. Nope. I'm sorry, but there's no truth. But look, we're a new company, and it's so slow. Okay. Imagine after get some money or you go feel like you're quitting company and you're like, we're quitting. We're doing something else now. We're gonna travel to a new island and we're gonna restart it. Even though we're already rich and we have a very big company, let's just restart it. It kind of feels stupid to me. Okay. Any more apples? So we're gonna chop the heads off. Let's stuff. Oh, money. So, what am I supposed to buy? Ooh, interesting. Okay, so let's get the oranges before we wait, so we're just basically redoing it. Honestly, I think it was a stupid idea to start orange things. What do we do with the oven? Sure. Oh, yes. We need my card. Our new favorite customer. Hey y'all, so we aren't gonna be able to serve the customer because we're poor, apparently. this stuff. I'm feeling this guy. I need more money so I can like not go. Hopefully he'll change and like become like an orange hater, so then we can do less work. Yeah, the regular left. I didn't know we can get tips in this game though. Imagine like you go to like a place and they're like, we serve orange juice, and like they have like everything except like a supply, and you go in and you're like, can I have some apple juice, and like they just don't give it to you, and you just have to like wait until you get mad. Imagine. Are there attacks so low? Sure. I'm gonna play it. That's literally like so. There's a regular and it doesn't completely hate me. You will get your juice eventually. No. Oh, the regulars just hate me, don't they? I just need some money. I did not have my attack at all. Or better blender, that'll definitely help. I'm poor. Well, it's like maybe like they're like, I don't know. It's like we have a problem and we can't solve it. So like we just like our tax is low and we can't solve that. We have to increase the cashier. Okay, so let's go, oh, we have money now. Perfect. Cancel it. Food production speed, let's go. We could that be great. No, we failed our uppercut. Who's the original person? I can't find it. Can I get like another girl? Another girl. She was like so useless. Sure, okay. Are we more attack? Can we kill more people? That did not help at all. What do we unlock? Is that... That's so useful. What's here? Big oranges! Nice one. Oh, the big orange is split off into the main orange. That gave me so many oranges. No, 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 I'm so close. Don't want to. I completely failed at that. This is hard. Okay, you. Nope. Sure, thank you. Yeah. What is this? Ooh. Oh, we got Texas Chainsaw. Oh, that's so more efficient. So much more efficient at killing. Don't worry. Everything is under control. Everything. Okay, trust me. I've always been trusted. What does this Texas Chainsaw do? Okay, goodbye. Please, 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 please. Don't worry. Okay, this is working. It's just like linear, more efficient way of like killing Blender. Be more important. Big truck. Oh, I have healthy. Oh no, no. I didn't know that. That was just some mortal guy. Little did I know I have a light. Let's go light. Okay. There's nothing to buy over here. Okay, what shall we buy? What shall we buy? Oh no. Not again. All my money just goes to waste every time. Okay, come on. Where you going? Okay.